Welcome to my roundup of the top 5 best drill sets of 2026, the essential tools for DIY projects, home repairs, and professional tasks. Whether you're assembling furniture, drilling into wood, metal, or concrete, or just need a reliable set for everyday fixes, these drill sets combine power, precision, and durability. Today's models feature advanced batteries, ergonomic designs, versatile bit selections, and smart safety features. In this guide, I'll walk you through the top options available this year and help you choose the perfect drill set for your needs. Check the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Starting off with the Bosch PS312A 12V Max 3/8" drill set. The Bosch PS312A is a compact yet powerful drill set designed for precision and convenience. I love how lightweight it feels, making it perfect for overhead drilling or tight spaces. Despite its small size, the 12V Max motor delivers impressive torque, handling wood, metal, and plastic with ease. The 3/8" chuck provides versatility for different bit sizes, while the 2-speed transmission allows me to switch between high-speed drilling and high-torque driving. The ergonomic grip ensures comfort during long projects, and the included 2 batteries mean I can keep working without interruptions. Bosch also includes a sturdy carrying case, making it easy to store and transport. This set is ideal for DIY enthusiasts who want a reliable drill that doesn't feel bulky. It's proof that compact tools can still deliver professional-grade performance. Next up is the Fataqualt cordless drill set. The Fataqualt cordless drill set is a versatile option that comes with a wide range of drill bits and accessories, making it a complete package for home projects. I appreciate its 20V battery system, which provides strong power and long runtime. The variable speed control allows me to adjust performance depending on the material, whether I'm drilling into wood, plastic, or light metal. What makes this set stand out is the comprehensive accessory kit. It includes multiple drill bits, screwdriver bits, and even sockets, so I don't need to buy extras separately. The ergonomic design reduces fatigue, and the LED work light helps in dimly lit areas. For anyone who wants a ready-to-go drill set with everything included, Fataqualt delivers excellent value and convenience. Moving on, the Decopro 20V cordless drill set. The Decopro 20V cordless drill set is built for users who want durability and consistent performance. Its 20V motor provides reliable power for everyday tasks, from assembling furniture to drilling into tougher materials. I like how it includes a full set of drill and driver bits, giving me flexibility for different projects. The drill itself features variable speed settings and a keyless chuck, making bit changes quick and easy. The battery life is solid, and the included charger ensures I can get back to work quickly. Decopro also emphasizes safety, with features like overload protection to prevent damage. This set is perfect for DIYers who want a dependable drill that comes with all the essentials for home improvement projects. Moving on again, the Pulichuo's 20V cordless drill set. The Pulichuo's 20V cordless drill set is designed for versatility and user comfort. I appreciate its lightweight build, which makes it easy to handle during long projects. The 20V motor provides strong torque, allowing me to drill into wood, drywall, and even light metal. The variable speed trigger gives me precise control, while the forward/reverse function makes it simple to switch between drilling and screw driving. This set also includes a wide range of drill bits and accessories, making it a complete toolkit for DIY tasks. The LED light is a helpful addition for working in dark corners or tight spaces. Pulichuo focuses on practicality, offering a drill set that balances power, portability, and affordability. It's a great choice for homeowners who want a reliable tool without overspending. Finally, the Comaware 20V cordless drill set. The Comaware 20V cordless drill set earns its place as one of the most popular options in 2026. Known for its balance of performance and affordability, this drill set is perfect for everyday DIY projects. The 20V motor delivers consistent power, while the variable speed control ensures precision across different materials. What I like most is the comprehensive accessory kit. It includes drill bits, driver bits, and sockets, giving me everything I need in one package. The ergonomic grip and lightweight design make it comfortable to use, even during extended projects. The LED work light adds convenience, and the battery system provides reliable runtime. Comaware proves that you don't need to spend a fortune to get a dependable drill set that covers all the basics. All of these drill sets bring something valuable to the table, depending on your needs and work style. The Bosch PS312A is perfect for precision and compact performance. The Fataqualt set offers a complete accessory kit for versatile projects. The Decopro drill emphasizes durability and safety. The Pulichuos set balances power and portability, while the Comaware drill delivers affordability and reliability. That wraps up my top 5 best drill sets of 2026. Whether you're tackling DIY projects, home repairs, or professional tasks, there's a perfect drill set here for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tool reviews and buying guides. Check the description below for the latest deals, and get ready to power through your projects with confidence.